Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup when sick, updated. Start by simmering bone broth with crushed garlic and sliced ginger for 10 minutes to release flavors and soothing compounds. Add shredded cooked chicken, diced carrots, and celery, then simmer until tender. Stir in egg noodles and a pinch of turmeric for warmth. Season lightly with salt and pepper, and finish with fresh parsley for aroma and vitamin boost. Gather simple, soothing ingredients before you start so cooking feels easy when you're not well. Use bone broth or low-sodium chicken broth as the base for better electrolytes and less sodium. Prep peeled carrots, sliced celery, minced garlic, and grated ginger to add gentle flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Shred pre-cooked chicken or use rotisserie meat for convenience. Keep egg noodles handy and fresh parsley to finish with a bright touch. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the containers shown here make meal prep and soup storage leak-proof and stress-free, perfect when you need easy leftovers. They stack well, seal tight, and save time on sick day cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by heating broth and adding minced garlic and grated ginger to infuse soothing flavors. Simmer for 10 minutes. Add diced carrots and celery, cooking until tender but not mushy. Stir in shredded chicken and egg noodles, simmering until noodles are soft and chicken is heated through. Season gently with salt, black pepper, and a little turmeric for warmth. Finish with chopped parsley, taste, and adjust seasoning before serving in a warm bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.